learn to do it.
Buddy,
Daddy's gonna show you.
Get back up there.
Yeah.
Elias, get up here.
Look, you won't get hurt. Daddy's right here.
He's already getting hurt. He just doesn't know how to now. He feels embarrassed. Okay, see, buddy? Look, see? You push it against there, or maybe they won't work since you doused them all.
Try the other side.
I think it's the match. It's not the... Okay, let's try a different one, because you probably broke most of these.
See?
No, you were too afraid, and now I have to get it in there, so
Watch out.
it's not going to poof is.
Is that fun?
Uh-huh. Can I try? Can I try put it in there?
Wait, not that one. Here we go.
Drop it in
No,
there.
no, you're going to strike it. Hold it right here.
Okay, go ahead.
Oh.
Throw it,
Drop
throw
it on
it.
top. Oh, good job.
Yay!
Try one more time.
He's like, ah!
You only do this when Mommy and Dad are here, okay?
Say okay.
No, here. You gotta do it on that side.
Yay! Drop it.
Careful, it's
Careful.
hot.
Good job, buddy.
I'm gonna try.
Nope.
Mom,
Huh?
what? Are we cooking now?
Yeah, we're cooking out. Good job. Is this exciting?
I'm so put in there.
Careful, don't get too close because you can get hurt.
I can get smoke.
Not only smoke, you could burn yourself.
Sophia wants to come.
Oh, you want Sophie to come?
Uh-huh.
Well, I think she's busy with her grandparents, buddy.
Grandparent.
Yeah.
Sophia don't like smoke.
I don't know. Maybe she does. Next time, maybe we can get her over here, okay? Here's like Sophia's gonna come.
Oh, I wish, buddy. I actually mentioned it to Rob yesterday.
I miss a
Yeah,
game
but I think, like I said, his family's around.
He said family is no longer around.
Oh, they must have just left him.
Yeah, well, anyway, I mentioned it to him. He said just hit her up on Facebook, so.
Okay.
Daddy, what are you doing?
Open up some hot dogs and stuff so we can get ready to cook them.
Daddy, what are those things?
Fire, flames.
Fire?
What's this? That's where you put the hot dogs and stuff so they don't cook too much.